Okay, very good morning, children. So, in the last class, we discussed exercise 6.2 progressions. Exercise 6.2. I completed up to two problems. I asked to do two problems. The related problems I gave you. I asked to do exercise 6.2 1 and 2 problems. Now I go for third problem, children. Exercise 6.2 progression. We are progressions. Exercise 6.2 third problem. Because already I hope you completed 1 and 2 problems. In the last class I asked to do 1 and 2 problems. The related that concept already I explained in the last class. So I asked to do 1 and 2 problems. I hope you clearly, I hope you completed 1 and 2 problems. Now I go for the third problem. Find the respective terms of the following APs. Find the respective terms of the following APs. Find the respective terms for the following APs. The APs given, children, here some A1 is equal to 2 given and comma A3 is equal to 26 given. Find A2. What you have to find out here? A2. You have to find out the A2 here. What given? This is the APs. All these given the APs. In the third problem, so many bits are there. There are only the 5 bits are there. The 5 bits, whatever they ask, those you find out. The given is first term given. A1 means first term. A1 or A is the same. 2. A3 is the third term. 26. Find A2. Find A2. Okay. Here, what is given? Given that A1. A1 means first term. A1 or A is the first term. Is equal to. And what given? A3. A3 is equal to how much given? 26. What is the A3? What is the first term in AP? A. Second term is A plus B. Third term is A plus 2D. A3 means A plus 2D. You know that. A3 26. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. AN formula is A plus n minus 1. What given? A3. N means D. A3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1. D is equal to A3 how much given? 26. Like this. Directly also you can write. So A plus 3 minus 1 2D. Directly you can write A3 directly. I show how you got this. AN is A plus n minus 1 to D. We want A3. Put n is equal to 3. A plus n means 3 minus 1. A plus 2D. A plus 2D means A3. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Is equal to how much given? A3 26. A plus 2D is equal to 26. Like this. Hereafter I do directly I write. A3 means A plus 2D. A4 means A plus 3D. A5 means A plus 4D. A10 means A plus 19. 12th term means A plus 11D. 100th term means A plus 99D. 88th term means A plus 87D. 70th term means A plus 690. Like that one reduce it. Okay. So A3 A plus 2D equal 26. Now substitute A value. A value how much given? A1 or A is the same. A1 or A is the same. How much? 2 plus 2D is equal 26. 2D is equal 26 plus 2 shift right side. 2D is equal 24. D is equal 24 by 2. D is equal to 20. D is equal to 20. So what you have to calculate here? Find A2. Find A2. A2 is A plus D. A2. A is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We want A2. Put n is equal to 2 minus 1. A plus 2 minus 1 D. A2 is what? A plus D. A value how much? D value 2 is equal to 40. A2 is 40. Like this you should do it. I hope you clearly understood, children. Now I go for the second bit in this. One more problem I will explain. Rest of the bits you do it. Okay. Now I go for the second bit. I go for the second bit. In this second bit, A2 equal to 13. A2 equal to 13. A4 is equal to 3. Find A1, comma A3. Find out A1. A1 means first step. A3 means third step. So what given here? A2 given, A4 given. Given directly I am writing now. Given that A2 is equal to how much? 13. What is A2? A plus B. A plus B equal to 13. How you got this A2, A plus B? In AN formula, right? N is equal to, we will get A plus B. What is the second term? A plus B. A plus B equal to 13. This is the first equation. Next, A4. A4 is equal to how much? 3. What is A4? A plus 3D. A4 is A plus 3D. Is equal to, this is second equation. By solving 1 and 2. By solving 1 and 2. First equation is A plus B is equal to 13. Second equation is A plus 3D is equal to 3. Subtract, change the signs, minus, plus A minus A get cancelled. Minus 3D plus D minus 2D. 13 minus 3, 10. D is equal to 10 by minus 2 and 2 by the D equal to minus 2. Substituting D equal to minus 2 in first equation. You can substitute this D value either first or second. What is the first equation? A plus D is equal to 13. A, D value is minus 2 is equal to 13. So A is equal to 13 minus 2 shift right side plus 2. A is equal to 15. So what you have to find out? A1. A1 is what it. Therefore, A1 is equal to, A is equal to how much got? 15. Now A3. You know that A3. What is A3? A plus 2D. A3 is A plus 2D. First term is A is A. Second term is A plus D. Third term is A plus 2D. Fourth term is A plus 3D, fifth term is A plus 4D, sixth term is A plus 5D, seventh term is A plus 6D, 10th term is A plus 9D, so that like that A3 is A plus 2D. So A value is 15 plus 2 into D value how much got there? Minus 2, 15 plus 2 minus 2 to the 4, 15 minus 4, 11. So A3 is, yes, I hope you clearly understood. In this rest of the bits you do it in the class of complete children. Now I go for fourth problem. Right. Fourth problem. Which term of the AP 3, 8? Which term of AP? Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18, so on is 78. This we discussed in the June also. The problems yesterday June, the Monday June class I explained the problems. Which term of AP 3, 8? The AP is what? 3, 8, 13, 8, so on is 78. Which term will be 78? So let us say that it is the nth term. Let us say that it is the nth term. What is the first term? A is equal to 3. D find out. D is equal to A2 minus A1. 8 minus 3, 5. Let which term will be, which term is 78? Let us say that it is nth term. Let AN is equal to 78. What is the nth term formula? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 78. What is A? 3 plus n minus 1. D value is 5 is equal to 78. n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 78 plus 3 fifth right side minus 3. So n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 75. Find out n minus 1. N minus 1 is equal to 75. 5 becomes divided. 5 15 is 75. So n minus 1 is equal to 15. N is equal to 15. Minus 1 shift right side becomes plus 1. N is equal to 16. The 16th term will be the 78. Which term of AP 3, 8, 13, 18 so on is 78? 16th term will be the 78. 16th term will be the 78. I hope you clearly understood children. Next, I go for you fifth problem, same model, do it. Fifth problem, which term will be 205? Nth term. Okay, fifth first bit, which term of 7, 13, 19, so on is 205? A is equal to 205, substitute, you will get. Similarly, second bit also same thing, fifth problem, same model, like fourth only, fifth problem, I skip it, you do it. Okay, children? Yes? So, now go skip, I am skipping this, you do it. Whatever problems I skip, you have to do it. Okay? Fifth problem, same model, you do it. Now I go for sixth problem, children. Sixth problem. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP or not. Check minus 50. Check minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2 or not. Check it. Minus 150 is the nth term or not. So A is equal to 11, D is equal to A2 minus A1, 8 minus 11, that is equal to minus 3. D equal to minus 3, A is equal to 11. Minus 150 is a term or not? Minus 150 is term of this AP or not? Let us say it is a nth term. Let us say that it is a nth term. Let A is equal to minus 150. A n formula is A plus n minus 150 is equal to minus 150. So A value is 11 plus n minus 1, B value is minus 3 is equal to minus 150. So 11 minus 3 into n minus 3n minus 2 minus plus 3 is equal to minus 150. So minus 3n, 11 plus 3, 14 is equal to minus 150. Minus 3n is equal to minus 150 plus 14, right side. Minus 3n is equal to minus 150 minus 14 minus 164. Minus cancel. So n is equal to 164 by 3. Does 3 divide 164? No. It is not complete figure, it is not integer. Since 3 doesn't divide 164. Since 3 does not divide 164, therefore it is not any term of AP. Because it doesn't divide, 3 doesn't divide 164. 3 by the 15, 14, 3 by the 12, getting the remainder. It doesn't divide completely, perfectly. That is why it is not a term. Why? Since 3 does not divide 164, therefore it is not any term of AP. I hope you clearly understood. Next, I go for next problem, children. 7th problem. Seventh problem. Find 31st term of AP whose lowest term is 38 and 16th term is 72. Very easy, this is also. find the 31st term of AP. What is the 31st term of AP? A plus 30B. Okay, that you know. How you got n is equal to 31, substitute it in the end there, you will get it. 31st term of AP is A plus 30B. Okay. Whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Given that 11th term, A11 is equal to how much? 38. What is A11? You know that. A plus 10D. A plus 10D equal to 38. This is first. Now, 16th term, A16 is equal to 73. 16th term is what? A plus 15D is equal to 73. This is the second equation. Solve this 1 and 2, we will get it. By solving 1 and 2, by solving 1 and 2. First equation is A plus 10D is equal to 38. Next equation is A plus 15D equal to 73. Subtract minus plus A minus 15D plus 20 minus 5D minus 73 plus 38. 13 minus 8, 5, 6 minus 35 minus 35 minus get cancelled. D is equal to 35 by 5, 500, 5, 700. D equal to 7. So substituting this, D equal to 7 in first equation. What is the first equation? A plus 10D is equal to 38. A plus 10 into D value is 7. D is equal to 7. So A plus 10 7 is 70 equal to 38. A is equal to 38 minus 70. A is equal to 10 minus 8 to 6 minus 10 minus 8 to 6 minus 30. How much got? 30. 2 got 1 minus 30. A is equal to minus 30. Here, what we ask to calculate, find the 31st term. Find the 31st term. 31st term. What is AN formula? A plus 10 minus 1 into D. Directly I am not writing 31st term. N is equal to 31. 31st term is what? A plus 30D. 31st term is A plus 30D. How you got A plus 30D? Nth term is A plus n minus 20. Put n is equal to 31. Put n is equal to 31 here. 31 minus 1. So A plus 30D. How you got? I showed here. A31. 31st term is A plus 30D. How you got? Put n is equal to 31. Similarly, whichever term you want in that place, put. If you want 7th term, in nth term, put n is equal to 7. If you want 6th term, put n is equal to 6 in the nth formula. Like that, you will get it. So now substitute A and D values. A is minus 32 plus 30 into D value is 7. D value is 7. So minus 32, 37 yeah, 210. 210 minus 30. 10 minus 28. 7. What? Minus only 178. How much? 31st term is 178. I hope we clearly understood children. Okay. So in the next class we will see next problems. Up to 7 problems I did. You do it 8th problem. Do it. 3rd term given, 9th term given. Which term of AP is 0? You do it. You complete 8th problem. Tomorrow we will discuss in the next class remaining problems. Thank you.